Hello friends, so today I am doing my everyday makeup look, and it's 10 minutes everyday makeup look. You can also try to make this, and if you are new here, so like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, the video. So this is the blush and I'm using. This is a creme blush. I'm trying to use this blush, as you can see, and yeah, let's try it. So this is the creme blush and it's shade number 03 Dusty Rose. So this is a cream texture. The color is so beautiful, pigmented color, and see, this is the pigmentation of the color. So it's a very beautiful shade. So yeah, I am just using my index finger and I'm just tapping. You can use if you have a puff, or you can have that, what you can say, it's like a brush or a blush brush. If you have, then you can use it. I don't have, so just I'm using with my hand because I have to rush somewhere. So it's a 10 minutes, so I have to do very fast. And yeah, using some more, applying on my cheeks, both the cheeks. So yes, so it's done. And next I'm going for the eyes. I'm using this blush for the eyes today. This much shade. You can take the lighter one also. Just dabbing on my lips. Look, it's 2 minutes already has gone. So I'm using another one. So half the part is done. This is the liner, Maybelline liner, simple line I'm making. I'm drawing this. It's very difficult to draw wing liner from starting, and I'm trying to make the wing. So yeah, the wing is done. Same I'm trying to make on my other eyelid as well. Going for my lips because it's an everyday look, so I'm trying to be as real as possible. So 5 minutes has gone. Lipstick that I'm using, East Village Rose, and it's a very beautiful shade. So it's a very rosy brown. This is my final makeup look, and it's my everyday makeup look, and I use this for everyday purpose and when I'm going out or something. So yes, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, and those who are new, my channel name is Sushmita's channel. I create videos on makeup and fashion. For watching, and I hope you like this video.